Hello everyone, this is Rudrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I am going to create this look. This is a super cool look for summers and you only need couple of things to create this look. So without any further blabbering, just start. So firstly I am prepping up my skin using this MAC Prep and Prime fixer and giving couple of seconds to settle down everything into my skin. Now I am color correcting my under eye area and some pigmented area onto my face using this NYX color corrector. Now I am using this sponge to blend everything out. Now it's foundation time. I'm using this MAC foundation and adding some color bar illuminator, mixing both of the things and applying it into my face using a flat foundation brush. Now I am blending everything out properly using a sponge. It's concealer time, so I am applying the concealer in my regular places like my under eye area, on my T-zone, where I really want to highlight some area. And now I am using this Miss Clear translucent powder to get kind of a matte finish onto my skin. Now I will contour my face using this Maybelline V Face Contour. I am contouring into my jawline. Now I am using this MAC Prep and Prime fixer. This is the brow pencil which I have bought from Miniso store. This is an amazing product, guys. If you are visiting the store, you should definitely try this. Now I am using this Urban Decay's Moondust palette and taking this lighter shade and dabbing it onto my eyelid area, and taking a little bit of darker shade from this palette and applying it onto my lower lash line. And now I'm taking again lighter shade and blending it properly. Now I am taking the lighter silver kind of shade to highlight my inner corners of the eyes. Now I am applying mascara. This is Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. Now I am applying this Tarte blush. Now it's time for highlighting. So I am using here this Becca highlighter. And it's time for lipstick. Here I am using this Maybelline lipstick. So yeah, this is the look which I have created. This is super simple but super glowy. You can definitely create this look for your daily routine, or even you can, if you are going for a weekend party, you can definitely create this look. So yeah, this is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.